Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to add tracking number on Shopify. So the very first thing to do is to log in and go to your Shopify account. So this is my Shopify account. You just have to scroll down and look for orders. So once you click this orders, it will take you directly to the site. But as you can see, I haven't made any orders here. But in case you have major orders, all you have to do is just simply click any of your orders here. So this is what it looks like. Now to add tracking number on Shopify, all you have to do is to select any of the orders here. So if I'm going to click one of the orders here, it will take me directly to this. So as you can see here below, we have here tracking information, which is optional. Okay, and then tracking number here, you just have to type it here. And then you can also add shipping carrier if you want. Now, after that, all you have to do is to check this send shipment details to your customer now. You just have to tap this one here. And then once you have added your tracking information, shipping carrier, and tap the send shipment order, all you have to do is simply click this fulfill items. And then once done, you have already added a tracking number on Shopify. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.